What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. This video, I'm trying to figure out the differences between the yellow Jordan 1s we received in the best hands in the game pack that was overseas exclusive only, and the latest Jordan 1 yellow sneaker we got, the Jordan 1 Volt. Now, to be honest, I didn't think that this Jordan 1 Volt was like gonna stay in my sneaker collection this long. I thought it was a dud when it first came out, I'm not gonna lie. As y'all know, I'm a fan of Jordan 1s, but like a couple of years ago I showed y'all a video where it was like I had way too many and most of them were resemblance to each other, and I just didn't want to keep them all in my collection. I wanted to save room for other sneakers that I really cared about. But the Jordan 1 Volts growing on me, man. But then I was cleaning up and I remembered I had these. So this video, we're going to compare and contrast both Jordan 1s to kind of see which one comes out on top. I can remember back in May 1st, 2018, Jordan brand came out with the Jordan 1 Best Hands in the Game pack. And that included the yellow Ochre, I don't know, man. In the comment section below, let me know how to pronunciate that. But it's spelled O-C-H-R-E. And these were a part of the pack. The yellow, these was a European exclusive. And these signified Jordan's 5 MVPs, if I can remember right. That was 2018, guys. No fact check here. I'm just going no brain memory. And these were the yellow ones, only released in Europe for his 5 MVPs. As you can remember, also the clay greens. These were more readily available. I got these from my local Foot Action, as I can remember. And these just represented Jordan's Defensive Player of the Year, Offensive Player of the Year. This one really wasn't the hype one, but yeah, these were nice. And at the time, we didn't have any green Jordan 1s, so I opted for these. I also owned the Blue Moons, but those were like, I don't like to say bad things, but I really didn't like that blue. And the other ones was the Track Red. I didn't own those, and I wasn't in a rush to own Track Red because how many Jordan 1s we gonna have that's red and black? Exactly. So way too many out there. So these are the clay greens. Back to the ochres. Yes, sir. So these were only came out in Europe, as I said already in the video, and these were like our closest to some yellow Jordan 1s, but they weren't readily available to everyone. So this year, this year, I think those came out this year. So this year, the Jordan 1 Volts dropped, and it was kind of like some people liked it, some people loved it, some people hated it. Me, I was in the middle of the whole situation. And then when I finally got them in hand, I started to like them a little more. Maybe it was the tongue. I think the tongue is what got me, as it bit off the off-white situation with like the, the cushion rub on the tongue. And some people hate this, but I actually love when they play with the tag on the Jordan 1 tongue, like this rubbery situation here. I kind of like it. I don't know. Some people hate it. And it's actually reverse, as the tag that usually looks like the Scarface right and the Scarface is going off, it's on the outside, and the inside has a Nike Air. The yellow on the backs kind of resembles the Ochre, but I feel like the Ochre is better design, better material. And the Volt just separates it from the Ochre, in my opinion. It has the Air Max 95 look around the sides. I probably could have did without it. But what really makes me like the sneaker is this whole outside cushion situation, starting with the tongue. As the Ochre just sits in a design of its own, original black Nike 1, original black Jordan 1 tongue. with the words in the inside like it's supposed to be. More of a Batman look, and I think everyone loves Batman. As far as the materials on the back, let's bring the volts back in. You can see the difference in quality ASAP. The Ochre's quality is like way better than the Jordan 1 Volts. I always will go with suede nubuck over this kind of leather. You know, if the leather's butter, then we might have a decision here, but that's not good leather. Great leather. It's good leather, it's not great leather. As far as the toe boxes, to each his own. To me, they're really the same. As far as the toe box quality, I'd rather a yellow suede swoosh over a black leather swoosh that we see on a lot of Jordan 1s. It's my opinion, you know. So this is side by side. The toe boxes on your right, you have your Jordan 1 Volt. On your left, you have your yellow Ochres. So as I said, as far as the toe box, that's your decision. As far as the bottom now, your Jordan 1 Volt sports an all black bottom. Your yellow Jordan 1 Ochres has that nice yellow on the bottom. And on the side, you can see the big difference. As far as hype beasts go, I'm like a 90% hype beast. So the hype beast in me will go with the yellow Ochres. I feel like if the Jordan 1 Volts had like, I don't know, just a little better quality. I don't want to say shattered bat boy because that's what everyone runs to, but just a little better quality. I think I would lean more towards the Jordan 1 Volts because it's just different. You know what I mean? Jordan Brand really jumped out the window and tried to do something different with this sneaker. But far as the outside, I feel like the Jordan 1 Ochres win totally. As far as the inside, the Jordan 1 Ochres totally again. Let's see why. So as y'all can see in the inside of the Jordan 1 Ochres, you have like your deck of cards in there with a Jordan card, the 23 logo. The other cards have designs on it. Super dope. The inside of the Jordan 1 Volt's not bad, as it has that Nike Air Max 95 neon vibe with the Nike Air logo in it, which is dope too. But come on now, the soles of the Jordan 1 Ochres is just draped in design, and that's going to win by far, in my opinion. In that comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about the soles on that Jordan 1 best hands in the game pack, because that's least talked about. And I know y'all like to talk about soles a lot, and that was a dope sole. So again, like I told y'all before, I didn't think these Jordan 1 Volts were going to last this long in my collection. And being that they still here, meaning I do have some good feelings towards this sneaker. Again, the cotton tongue that's dope. The styrofoam look around the ankle, that's dope. These flap tabs at the bottom of the Jordan 1 shoestring holders, that's different. I won't say dope, but that's different. I'm pretty not sure how I feel about these yet. Toe box is decent, man. I don't want to knock the toe box. I just feel like the yellow 1 Ochre's design was more better, and being that was 2018, that says a lot. Again, I'm a hype beast, but I'm full of people, and the Jordan 1 Ochre's wasn't available to all of us. If you lived in the States, you had to go through StockX Gold, or if you had a friend in Europe, you couldn't just walk into Foot Action and get them. And I really don't like that, but the hype beast in me likes that, you know. But the Jordan 1 Volts were readily available, and right now you could get them on StockX for maybe like $200. I haven't checked the prices on these Ochres because I really wasn't looking to sell them no time soon. Like I told y'all, at that time I was buying every Jordan 1, and And I was going to complete the pack, but I didn't have the space for all these Jordan 1s. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes, man. If you haven't, please hit subscribe. I got a giveaway going right now on my last video, SB Dunk pickups, and trying to get that video to 30 likes. Let's get that video to 30 likes, man, and the keychains will go out to the winners. And I want to do one more giveaway, and that will be, boom. Trying to get the camera to focus. But let's get this video to 25 likes, and I would give away a Tiffany & Co. basketball. Gosh, I know Valentine's Day is coming up, man. Nice little settle gift for the lady in your life, or your mommy, or your aunt. And let's get this video to 25 likes. Make sure you subscribe, hit done on the bottom, and I'll pick one of y'all to win this nice Tiffany & Co. basketball keychain for the lady, man. Again, I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. Everybody, get rich.